His name starts with an A. And they're from the new movie, The Great Race. There's so much wrapping paper in here. There's so much wrapping paper. I mean, wrapping paper. I wonder what this is. And then one of them looks like, what is it? What does she look like? Well, it's a she. There's two she's and one he. So one of them looks like, Rosie. Another of them looks like, Molly, kind of. That's the closest engine I could guess to. And the other one looks like, kind of like Spencer. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the first train. I got Frieda. Frieda. I usually say Frieda. There's a character in Little Big Planet that's called Frieda, I think. But I think it might be. However you say it, I think the wrong way to say it is probably Frieda. I used to say Frieda when I was little, and now I still say it, because, I still like saying it. Sounds better. So we got Frieda. It says it under here. Frieda. There's the front of Frieda. This side. I have cardboard on my hand. This side. The back. Back doesn't have any detail. On the other side. And it's like a 3-bogey, like Arthur. The next engine we have is Vinnie. I have to open this guy. Ooh. Yeah. Should actually save these so when I'm trying to take coal somewhere. Oh my god. There we go, guys. That's weird how Frieda has coal in her tender, but he doesn't. Her coal's just paint. Unless that's a water tanker. The coal's the same color as the top of Frieda's cab. Yeah. So here's Vinnie. Vinnie's front doesn't move that much or that easily. Wonder why it moves like this. Trying to see if I could fix it. Can't really fix it that much. So I got Vinnie from, I forgot where he was from. It says Vinnie under here. And Vinnie's tender looks weird. It looks like a tanker. It's a tanker. It's like I'm gonna blow up Vinnie. No, I'm just kidding. So it looks like a tanker. Both of their funnels are very different from each other. It's very weird. So, yeah, there's them. The last engine is Ashima! Try to open this one. Oh, this one is easy. It got Ashima here. Huh, Ashima looks really great. I think my favorite out of all of them is probably Ashima here. There's the side of Ashima. For some reason the decoration goes like under the window. There's the side of Ashima in the front. And then the other side. On the bottom it says Ashima. The back doesn't have any details. She kind of looks like Thomas a little bit. But she's not. As you could see. I think there's supposed to be lines here. In the real version. The front of Ashima. The details really catches the eye. It's really cool. I like the detail of this one the most. The other ones are kind of like normal. Frieda's kind of different. But mostly Ashima's like the one who stands out. I think all the other ones are boring, and then they're both blue. Oh, they're both blue. They both look like Gordon. They're both Gordon, guys. I'm just kidding. There we go. There's the whole team. And then Ashima's over there with... Where's Thomas? Oh, there's Thomas. Ashima and Thomas. And then all the other big engines go over there. I think they both are in like a race, right? I don't know if Thomas is in a race or not in the new movie. So all these 3 engines are from the Great Race. I hope you like this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like these, and we'll see you all next time. I'm probably gonna get Gina next. Gina's the other wooden railway that there's still left to get from the Great Race. And then I might get all the taken plays that are supposedly coming out. We haven't seen if they're real or not yet. So, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.